Welcome to the Ibexx Lightning Release installation video. First step, remove your left side panel and clutch cover. Now using the factory supplied clutch tool, remove your belt. Now using the Ibexx Advanced Collapse Clutch tool, open the primary clutch. Now using a T25 Torx, remove the factory bolt. On a side note, the 2017s use an Allen wrench for that bolt. Now open the Ibexx packaging and remove the lightning release. They are set up for high altitude out of the box, so just slide them in and screw into where you removed your bolt. For low altitude, you will need to use the steel spacer instead of the aluminum one on the bolt. Now place a nut on the end of the lightning release and tighten up with a 7/16 end socket. Now remove the safety clip from the Advanced Collapse tool and remove the tool from the clutch. Now reinstall your belt. Be sure to spin the belt as you spin the clutch tool so that the belt does not stick into a high gear. Now reinstall your clutch cover and side panel and enjoy your ride.